Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. Well, we're looking at ANZAC Day, and then just a couple of days from now, we've got the weekend back. So we've got a lot to cover. There's quite a lot going on weather-wise. So this is the Tuesday afternoon setup. Not a lot actually going on for Tuesday. Just cloudy weather continuing along the western side and a couple of showers moving up the country. There's a very slight cool southwest change that's blowing around for Tuesday. But this big high out on the Tasman, that's coming in for ANZAC Day. And this is ANZAC Day, lunchtime for Wednesday. High pressure dominates most of the country. It's pretty much only Southland and Otago that are just on the outer edges. And that actually could be good for you. It could actually encourage westerly winds, which will help lift the temperatures up just a little bit from where they were on Tuesday. But it will still be a cold start. There might be a light frost even around central Otago and some parts of the inland, highland country around the South Island. Otherwise, it is looking dry and settled, a cool start nationwide, but then a warm afternoon in most places for this time of the year. Back to work on Thursday for some, and high pressure dominates, and it starts to warm up just a little bit more. In fact, there might even be a few fog and mist patches around the North Island on Thursday, and then on Friday, no chance of fog. The winds start to pick up from the north. In fact, they're coming out of the subtropics in many regions, so Friday is a pretty warm day, although the clouds are going to build and the rain starts back on the west coast. We've got developing low pressure out here, which is making for a complicated weekend. This is how it looks on Saturday. Big picture, Australia to the west, and here's New Zealand in the middle with a low forming right over the top of us. But there's also low pressure all the way down here. This is a cold change coming up around Southland and Otago. You'll really feel that on Saturday. In the north, the warmer winds still continue, but it won't be an overly warm day with all the rain clouds around. And then on Sunday, look at that, 2 different low pressure systems in charge. So it is an unsettled weekend. We've got rain or showers at least affecting half of the country at any given time. But obviously with our mountains and ranges, there will be some dry spells that do form. So the weekend is going to be a bit messy, and then this system lingers into next week as well. So the next couple of days do look pretty much settled though. Enjoy your ANZAC Day. We're back again on Thursday.